And we did not win the Legends giveaway. That was the hood stacked L5P, I believe, from Stack D-Max. But check this out. The shirt is what we came for. Good things never come from comfort zones, and that could not be more true going into the new year. You got to push yourself, get out of your comfort zone a little bit, and then just maybe you work hard enough, good things could come from it. So love the shirt, guys. Shout out Legend Supply Co. Let's get on with it though. What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the channel. We're fresh off into 2025 now and just more motivated and ready than ever. Super pumped today. We are going to be checking out the perfect LMM Duramax project for one of you. We've got enough projects going on, and yes, we are trying to get rid of some stuff to make way for new projects in the new year. So we got a sweet LMM project that Ovi picked up a long time ago. It just never had time to come to fruition, so I would love to see this in one of your hands. And if you do pick this up, by the way, I will follow up with you if you complete this build and highlight it on the channel. Absolutely, we would love to see it. Otherwise, this project's gonna get scrapped and it's just gonna be a terrible thing. So you gotta hit us up and check out this project. We'll go ahead and look at it. I'm a big fan of the LMM. I used to have one. I had an 09. If memory serves me correctly, I think they only made it from what, 08, 09, 10, and then 11 came the LML, right? Maybe somebody can fact check me on that, but I believe that's how it went down. Mine was a white 4-door one. It had some orange Whirly Custom piping kit under the hood, and it was just a sweet ride. I loved every minute of it. Just a couple of announcements before we get started. Number one, if you're new to the channel, stick around. We got all kinds of cool stuff we do on here. Diesel trucks, ATVs, cars, you name it. Just want a couple shout outs here. Number one, thank you to Ovi and the guys down here for always letting me film. I do not do any of the mechanic work down here at Overtime Diesel. I'm just the guy with the camera and the YouTube channel trying to help a buddy of mine out. So I'm not gonna be working on your truck if you do come down here. I don't wanna get things twisted. What's that goofy guy with the Oakleys and the Jordans that can't change a battery doing? I will not touch any of your trucks when you come down to the shop here. The professional mechanics will handle that, so do not worry about that. Number two, I love collaborations, working with people in the industry. That's like my biggest thing, is working together for the better cause and to just really promote the diesel community. If you guys follow Zach Frisch, he's got some super cool builds. He's got an awesome Cummins, and he started his YouTube channel. I know he's popular on the gram and probably in the truck scene, but I reached out to him, sent him some motivation to help him out on his YouTube journey, just to help push, push everybody in the right direction. He's showed some love back, and I was super grateful. So go check out Zach's channel. I can link it in the description below. And just really just in this gratitude mode. So yeah, check him out, guys. That would mean a lot to me, but let's get into the project, what we came to do. So if you guys have seen any of our videos down at the shop, you probably recognize this frame's been sitting on the floor here right in front of Ovi's desk for a long time, and it is time for this sucker to go. I think maybe this should be VIP, like Employee of the Month parking. Not for you, Ov, for the guys. Whoever does the best, let them park right here inside in the nice warm. It's like 7 degrees outside today. It's so cold and it's so beautiful in here. But here is the frame, all the way stripped down. This thing could be powder coated any color. It'd be super epic, and it looks like down here it already has the gooseneck ball on there. Oh yeah, that baby's on there. This frame is full of possibilities right here. Otherwise, I'm gonna have to take it to the junkyard, and I don't want to do that. But yeah, just imagine if you guys got this. It's a single cab. Got some parts for it. Got a cool motor, cool trans. We'll show you the cab for it. The only thing we don't have is the bed. So again, make an offer on this. I know I don't want to say too much about pricing on here and get it screwed up. Just know it's dirt cheap. Send your best offer this way. But yeah, just wanted to show you all around the frame how clean it is. All tore down and ready to be put back together in its original form, only better, right? Yeah, that's what projects are all about. All right, sorry guys, I had to put the light on my camera because it's a little dark back here, but here is the actual cab that went with the truck originally. So do have this right here. You can see maybe it had a little bit of work done there, so that's nice. Already cleaned up a little bit down there, nice and smooth. But look at it. And the hood, boy, the hood's up there. You know, it's a little dusty, but that's okay. It can get cleaned right back up. That's why it's a project. Kind of move this hose out of the way, maybe. Little rag. Look at that. Get rid of me. I didn't write that. That was already on there. Somebody's got it figured out. Get rid of me now. So there you can see the cab, windshield. Got the radiator down here. All the components still intact down in there. Got some fuses and whatnot, some wiring. Let's check out what's inside here. Looks like got some headlights. They're kind of faded. Cloth. Whoa, the camera was sliding down. That light's kind of heavy. Cloth seats. You can see the interior in here. Look at that. Even got an aftermarket radio. A little dash. Look at that bad boy. Yeah, that's super sick. Let's go to the other side and check it out. Oh yeah, so here's the driver's seat. It does have a little tear in there as expected, as most trucks of this year do. You can see it's the GMC, not the Chevy, so it's the better of them, of course. So yeah, you can see, guys, super, super nice. All the possibilities. Still got carpet in the floor. Got a couple of little trees. Probably don't smell great, but that's for after you get it fixed, right? So there it is. Little wear on the steering wheel, not a big deal. But yeah, there's the cab. Yep, you can see a little Bondo action down in there. I don't know if he's got the doors for this thing or not. You're gonna have to ask him. But again, there's the hood up there. All this stuff will cleaned up. It's just been sitting for a while. Back glass still intact. So yeah, not bad. Especially for the price. This thing's gonna be dirt cheap, guys. Literally just shoot an offer. Now, you guys ready for this? This is the super cool powder coated stuff. Look at right here. Here is the LMM engine itself. Look at it. Powder coated teal and white. Ovi's favorite colors. Look at how hot this thing turned out, guys. Wow. Now again, some assembly required, but man, you make a good offer and get this sucker out of here, this can be yours, man. Put a big turbo on there or something. Look at that. Boy, that is so clean. And look at this, even a bracket that's still wrapped, not even out of the wrapping yet. Brand spanking new paint. Boy, that looks so hot. I know it's gonna take a little bit of work, but we can get it out of here and onto your trailer or truck for you so you can get that sucker home and underway. And that's not just it. Look over here. You got the matching Allison transmission. Look at it. Again, some assembly required, but look at it. Painted beautifully. White, teal matching. Look at the Allison. It's official on there. Boy, that looks so hot. So can you imagine, guys, that transmission married up with that engine, with the shorty frame, the black cab, whatever you choose to do with the bed. Ovi was going to do a flat bed. You can put the truck bed back on it. But these two paired together, guys, it just looks so crazy. Seriously, somebody's got to come get this because this would be so cool to see put back together. I'm serious, guys. I really don't even like coming down here because then my ideas get flowing. I want to open my wallet and spend all my money down here at the overtime for all the cool stuff these guys do. I have such an appreciation for all the attention to detail they got. It just gives me goosies. I want to get this build going, but it's not for me. I got to get rid of my own truck for another project I want to do. So seriously, somebody's got to come down here and get this stuff. So if you guys are on the fence still on this build, please go look at some other builds. I'll try to put some pictures here on the screen of some other single cab LML Duramaxes or just single cabs in general. They just look so cool, especially even pulling the trailer. That one's got a gooseneck hitch on it already. Think about it, they kind of remind me of like a day cab Peterbilt or Kenworth, just so epic going down the road. You guys could literally make this into anything. If you have any interest at all, please reach out, put something in the comments, whatever, reach out to me. I'll get to Ovi for you. We just want to get this in somebody's hands and see what you do with this project because again, it's going to take all of us to get cool stuff done. Again, we don't have the time and resources to do every project ourselves here on the channel. That's why we want to share some love with you. But again, keep pushing us, keep motivating us. Like, share, subscribe to the channel, share the videos with your friends, all that good stuff. We got lots of stuff planned. Like I said, got a big build going on behind the scenes, and that's super crazy. The 6.0 hasn't sold yet. We need to get that truck down the road too. Go back and check that one out if you're interested in a nice 6.0 project as well. Here, I'll just go show you real quick. That's fine, it's outside. Oh, look at the snow on the ground. But guys, here is the 6.0 project. Like I promised you, I would show you the truck. If you are interested in all at a nice Project 6.0 diesel, go ahead and hit us up on this one as well. 10K or best offer. Just did a bulletproofed rebuilt motor inside there. Runs like a champ now. Stock trans. Door is locked. But we did a whole video on it. If you want to see more, that's not what this video is about. We just love diesels down here, obviously. And I always keep thinking of stuff as I go, but if you guys do want like the first dibs on some of these things, follow Ovi on Snapchat. He always ends up leaking these things early, selling random stuff at the shop, showing behind the scenes on the YouTube stuff before I even leak stuff. So follow Ovi on the Snapchat, all kinds of good stuff. But guys, we're gonna leave you with that for now because we have a lot of stuff going on. Again, yes, I am trying to film some various content while we're building something crazy in the background. So again, if it feels like the channel's kind of stagnant or not really going ham, that's because we got the ham stuff going on behind the scenes. We're just super blessed, super lucky to have all you guys. So we will effectively see you guys in the next one. God bless you all. Peace. And I did find some more powder coated, looks like the leaf springs and some odds and ends also powder coated. So maybe we can throw them in too. I'm sure they go with this project. If not, Ovi will correct me. But yeah, just so you know guys, there's a lot of stuff you guys can get.